Hi, I'm Clara, a coach deeply passionate about personal transformation, and today, I want to share my full experience with Brendon Burchard's Certified High Performance Coaching CHPC program. If you've ever felt lost about how to start a coaching career, or if you truly want to transform lives and make a deep impact, this review will help you understand why this program is so special and why it might be the key to your next big professional breakthrough. When I first heard about CHPC, I was curious. I already knew about Brendon Burchard's incredible reputation. He is considered the world's #1 high-performance coach, with thousands of certified students and millions of people impacted by his work. But what really caught my attention was that CHPC offers a complete, immersive training experience combining hands-on learning, sales and marketing tools, and a full 12 months of ongoing support. That kind of comprehensive structure is something you rarely find in other coaching programs. CHPC is designed to take you even if you have zero experience, from beginner to a fully certified high-performance coach. It's a 4-day live virtual training, happening from November 3rd to 6th, 2025, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Time. During those days, you'll participate in live coaching sessions, practice real client simulations, receive personal feedback, and learn how to conduct all 12 research-based high-performance coaching sessions. These sessions alone are valued at around $20,000, but they're included as part of the program. What's amazing is that beyond mastering practical coaching skills, you'll also learn how to build your brand and attract clients. The CHPC program includes 4 weeks of on-demand training focused on the coach sales system, a deep dive into how to attract high-paying clients, structure your online presence, create sales funnels, webinars, and digital marketing strategies. The value of this content is estimated at $30,000, yet it's included within your certification. It's truly a rare and high-value opportunity. Another major advantage is the 12-month continuous support you get after certification. You'll join monthly live sessions with other coaches, where you share experiences, get ongoing mentorship, and stay motivated. This level of support, which would normally cost around $6,000 per year, is absolutely crucial for anyone serious about growing their coaching career and achieving consistent results with clients. From my own experience, I realized that CHPC isn't just about learning coaching techniques. It is about mastering a proven, repeatable, evidence-based process that anyone can follow. It's not about having a natural gift or prior experience. It's about applying a tested framework that delivers real results for clients. As certified coach Liz Kern said, "It's a structure anyone can follow," and I can confirm that's absolutely true. The structure of this program makes the learning experience accessible, safe, and highly effective. Michelle Carey, another coach who went through the program, shared something that deeply resonated with me. If you're seeking freedom of time and impact, the kind of impact that truly changes someone's life, CHPC is the perfect structured process. You just need heart and passion, and they teach you how to apply it. That really spoke to me, because I found that CHPC doesn't just teach the techniques. It also builds your confidence and professional presence, which are essential to attract clients and grow your business. Lori Rock, who combined holistic weight loss coaching with CHPC, said, "It's the most consistent, most research-backed program, and it works for everyone." That showed me that no matter your background or niche, CHPC provides universal coaching tools that you can adapt to any area. Personally, I've applied its principles with both executives and entrepreneurs, and the results have been incredible. One thing I must highlight is the first-day guarantee. If after the first day you feel the certification isn't for you, you can request a full refund minus processing fees. That shows how confident the team is in the value of the program, and it ensures that your investment is completely risk-free. Beyond coaching techniques, CHPC places strong emphasis on marketing and business growth. You'll learn how to create your brand, design your website, write sales scripts, build group coaching funnels, host webinars, and even launch online courses. Everything is supported by the Coach Marketing Vault, which unlocks strategies used by the world's top coaches, allowing you to start attracting clients immediately and scale your business professionally. During the 4 live training days, you're not just watching, you're actively participating. You'll practice sessions, get personal feedback, and connect with other coaches in a motivating, supportive environment. That's key, because practice builds confidence and mastery, the foundation for success in real-life coaching. Another major highlight is the international credibility you gain. At the end of your training, you'll receive an official certificate mailed to you. confirming your status as a certified high-performance coach. That opens doors to working with high-level clients, organizations, and individuals seeking measurable, life-changing results. If you're rewatching this review and feel that it's time to take your coaching career to the next level, I highly recommend enrolling through my special link. The experience you'll have inside CHPC is truly unique. You'll learn proven methods, apply them in real sessions, master marketing and sales, receive ongoing support, and gain global credibility. Don't spend years trying to figure it out alone. With CHPC, you'll have a complete step-by-step system to start transforming lives and generating income right from the beginning. This is your chance to turn your passion into a career, your experience into impact, and your knowledge into tangible results. So, if you're ready to build your high-performance coaching career and truly make a difference in people's lives, click the link below. Secure your spot and start your CHPC journey today. Believe me, this could be the decision that transforms your life and the lives of everyone you'll inspire along the way.